This is my first video without Sue. Today I'm going to make a submarine out of cardboard. Yes, you heard it right. Cardboard. All right, cardboard is already here. Where are the scissors? Sue! Susie, where are my scissors?
Ugh, typical Sammy. Can you search for them yourself, please?
Typical Sammy. Actually, I'm very independent in this video. What is that?
Oh, these are the parts of our future Spanish house.
Let's build it, Susie!
Oh, what about being independent? And the submarine?
I passed that level. While the Spanish house is a real challenge, plus I really love Spain. Vamos a la playa, a mí me gusta bailar, Rio de la noche, sounds a fiesta.
All right, Sammy, you got me. Let's get started.
Sí, señora.
Hi, guys. This foundation will be the base of our Spanish house. Let's apply some glue to the base. Move like this, as if you're drawing waves. Cool! Now let's glue the base layer, which is also the layout of our house. There will be a well here, while here you can see the foundation and the dirt road. Now we can set the walls, but first let's make windows and doors. Remove the extra parts with a light movement of your hand. Here's the window. There's so many of them in this house, it's gonna be bright. Let's mark the corners of the house, this way. Bend the walls carefully, following the lines. What a sweet house is coming out! And now let's connect these parts with the help of the slots. To attach our house to the foundation, we need to add some glue. And a bit here. Perfect. There. Turn it upside down. A big moment. Ta-da! Done! Now it's time to make a porch for our house. And where did our independent slime go?
Aquí, señora. From now on, I'm a Zorro slime.
Well, Zorro slime, can you help me set the foundation for the terrace?
I love heroic and dangerous deeds. Clear the way. Another day, another heroic deed.
Wow, I think our Zorro did a great job. Give a thumbs up if you agree, guys. Our house should be warm, so we can't do without a chimney. Let's set it right here.
My heroic duty is to tell you that the wind can blow the house away, and the porch, I made for it.
Good point, Zorro, but I've got everything under control.
I don't know what you mean, senora. Whoa! Are there really bricks that are smaller than the ones we used for a windmill?
Yup, how about that?
Guys, have you seen our brick crafts? Give a thumbs up if you did.
While I can't wait to begin building our house out of these tiny, cute bricks. Well, I think I'll start on this side. The glue will serve as the cement. And here's our first grand brick. Here comes the second one. Carefully. Well, I must say the wall is coming out nicely. It's time to make the windows.
I guess you'll need this soon.
Right, in a few bricks. Laying bricks, especially tiny ones like these, requires precision. I like the result. But to speed up the process a bit, I'll add some magic. Whoa, I guess I should open my own school of magic.
Hey, Susie! I'm quite a skillful magician too, you know. Will you hire me as a teacher?
Well, what can you do?
A moment! Here, look! Alakazam, alakazoo! Well…
Not bad, but I require a higher level of proficiency.
Challenge accepted! Moon, prism, power, makeup, select, slime, Sam! To open!
Alright, let's see. Oh, amazing! Wait, what about the terrace and the roof?
No magic of the world can compare with your precision, Sue. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree with me.
Okay, but first I'll finish making those rows you left out. Otherwise, the terrace won't be sturdy. We need to make this corner. All right. It's more convenient to lay some of the bricks using tweezers. The point is not to rush. I feel like a real jeweler. The porch looks very lovely.
Here comes the final touch.
Yes, Sammy, you're right. One brick goes here, and the second one here. I'll decorate the floor of the terrace with textured tiles. Let's set the base of the column here. Perfect! The final part of our terrace is the roof. Let's apply some glue here and connect these parts. Now I'm applying the glue to the part that will be connected to the house. I can attach the roof to the house now. Perfect!
Susie, it's time to place the tiles.
Yes, but on the roof, not on your face. Apply some glue again, carefully. Let's place the first piece here. And the second one next to it. What a cozy terrace! I bet it's a pleasure having a siesta here.
I don't understand why siestas exist only in some countries. After a handful of candies for lunch, I need a rest too.
Well, the reason is the climate. At noon, the sun is especially hot, so it's not exactly healthy for the body. So taking a nap inside a cool house is the best solution.
And the best solution for us is to continue the construction. Each brick brings me closer to rest.
I guess this house is about to win Sam's heart. Oh, he totally forgot about his submarine. Brick by brick, soon the house will be ready. I can't wait to see the result. What about you guys? I'm already making the main part of the chimney. I'll finish this wall soon. The wall with the chimney is done! Phew! I could build real houses after such practice. Anyway, it's time to make the roof. Let's place this framework here and cover it with the tiles. Yay! The Spanish house is ready! Let's get to the landscaping.
While Sam, the hard worker, will build the road to the place of rest. Where do I pour this, Sue?
Oh, Sammy, first you'll need the glue.
Right, the road to siesta must be durable. All right. Good. Okay, I'm tired.
I get the hardest work as usual. But that's okay. I can easily manage this. We should spread the glue well on the surface so the dirt spreads evenly too. Perfect! Now let's pour the dirt, moving along the marked line. Right! Our road is ready, but the well is still missing. That's better. There is no house in warm Spain without a green lawn. Let's start painting from this corner with a number. Apply the paint carefully. Don't rush not to stain anything around. Let's add some green around the porch. Beautiful! Be careful not to color our road accidentally, too. Finishing touch! And the lawn by the house is ready!
Wait a moment, that's hardly the finishing touch. Let's make it look more real.
Great idea, but first let's apply some glue to the lawn this way. And a bit here too. Wow, perfect! Now let's spread it carefully with a wide brush. This lawn has many layers. You should do it rather quickly before the glue dries. Time to add the grass. What a wonderful lawn we made! These plants will complete the look. There can't be too much green.
Holy cannoli! The Spanish house is just amazing!
I couldn't agree more! When can we see your submarine, by the way?
I made only a lantern. It'll illuminate the depths of the sea.
Or our house. This way you can not only enjoy your siesta, but also warm, cozy evenings.
Cool! I didn't think of that. Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked our Spanish house. Adios!
And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Adios! Bye-bye!